continue to look at numbering here. So we're looking at how we would apply numbering when naming more complex organic molecules. So let's have a look at this first molecule at the top here. This has 5 carbons in a row, so it's going to be called pent, and it has 2 different substituents coming off, a CH3 that is a methyl group, and an NH2 that is an amine group. Now notice when we look at the amines here, that the amines actually have a suffix. So if you have a suffix, you are going to change the name of the parent chain. And we are going to, before we write the name of the parent chain, we have to work out what number the NH2 is attached to. And we can see that the NH2 is attached to the 3rd carbon. So this the parent name for this molecule is pentanamine, but pentan 3-amine. Okay, and the 3 shows us where the NH3 is attached on the parent chain. Now, we also have to show that we have this methyl group, so we're going to write that as a prefix in front of the parent name, and it's going to be called 2-methyl pentan 3-amine. Okay, let's have a look at the next molecule that we have here. The next molecule we have is this one here. We can see that there are 4 carbons in a row. There is that's going to have bute as the start of its name. There is a functional group here with a double bond carbon, and there is a functional group here that is a fluorine. Okay, now because the double bond carbon has an associated suffix with it, it's going to change the parent name. So this is going to be butene. Now I have to say where the double bond is, because the double bond is attached to the 1st carbon. It could be if I just had butene attached to the 2nd carbon. So in this case, I'm going to call it but1ene. Now I also now have to say just have to name the fluorine group here, and we remember that it has the prefix fluoro. It's coming off the 3rd carbon, so this is going to be 3-fluoro-but1ene. Okay, the last molecule here, the last molecule has one substituent and 1 group on the end, functional group. Now we have 3 carbons in a row, so it's going to be prop. It has a methyl substituent coming off here and a carboxylic acid functional group. It so happens that the carboxylic acid is the most important, or the highest priority functional group, so it will change the name of the parent chain here to propanoic acid. Now for a carboxylic acid, I never have to write the number that it is, because a carboxylic acid, because it's the highest priority, will always be number 1. So the parent part of the name here is propanoic acid. But remember, we have the substituent coming off, and because the carboxylic acid is the highest priority, that carbon is 1 and the next carbon is 2. So the methyl group is coming off the 2nd carbon, and this is 2-methyl propanoic acid. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this has made you more confident with your chemistry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment about anything that you want to with this video or any questions you have. I'll see you later.